Hi guys, I'm Abhishek. This is our project. Our project topic is smart crafts. We are trying to build a platform where people can sell their crafts, handmade crafts. Why we choose handcrafts? Because in India, lot of middle class family people can create a different kind of products, but they don't know how to sell those products. Amazon and Flipkarts are there, but they are accepting only big retailers. Small sellers can't sell in those websites very comfortably. So we choose to build a platform to um, sell those kind of products. We built an app instead of website because people are nowadays feeling very good in app instead of websites. So we built a app where we can sell those products. In the screen we can see that app. This is a login page, this is home page, this is a recent product details. If you click any product in the recent product, that will go to this product details view. Here we can view the details of that product. Here we can have the similar products also. If we scroll down, this is a dryer page, this is cart page. We can add this products in our cart. This is our project we have done. Our teammates will explain other things in our project. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Divya. As we already told, we are going to make mobile app to sell handmade products. Initially, we started doing this project in Arduino Studio. After that, we created some user interface part of app using Java programming language. After that, we understood that if we progress this way, it will be very hard. In that way, we want to create two apps, one for Android, another one for iOS. So we decided to do this project in multi-platform. So, so we chose the Flutter SDK using Dart programming language. With the help of this, we can create app for both Android and iOS with single code base. So moved into Flutter app development. We learned that and we have created apps simple user interface with login. In the below picture we can show some user interface of our app, and then in the above pictures we can see that we have done only front end of the product and only for customer point of view. If we want to make this successful, we want to implement UI for sellers, and also we want to implement the back end of the product. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, myself Mogna Priya. Now I'm going to talk about SWOT analysis of our project. In SWOT analysis, we are going to discuss about strength, weakness, and opportunities and threats. Strength, we have more strengths compared to normal lean startup projects. We are building this project for middle class families. So in India, we have more middle class families, so we can easily get up this idea. We are building the app using Flutter technology. We can create app for both Android and iOS with single code base. So development also easy for us. And no companies are only targeting on hand grabs. So the competition are less. So we can easily reach the high level. Our only investment is in app building and marketing. No other investment needed. And one more point is that we are building mobile app. Mobile app is more flexible and attractable than websites. It will definitely increase our websites. Now we are coming to talk about weakness. In our idea is having one first and foremost weakness is we are new to this business. This is the main weakness for us, but we can overcome this. So our guess may not be true about this project. We are selling only handicrafts, but companies like Amazon are selling large variety of products, so people may attract by them. We are new to business, so we don't have a brand like Amazon or Flipkart. It has to create afterwards only. So initially, customers will be less, and we are going to now see about opportunities and threats. Opportunities in now after this COVID-19 problem, people mind may change to all like to do their own business. In own business means many ladies are doing in handicrafts. This is the best way for us. We are not expecting big sellers. We are expecting people who make simple products in their home and want to sell. So this is the one opportunity. And threats means like big companies, Amazon, Flipkart are easily implement this idea. They have very have big infrastructure, so they can easily market this idea. Before us, we fail to support which are brought by seller, we may lose. So suppliers want to believe us. This is the main important threat for us. And coming to micro environment factors, big companies like Amazon, Flipkart can easily implement this idea. Already they are having big infrastructure, so they can easily market this idea. And we are selling only handicrafts, but companies like Amazon are selling variety of products, so people may attract by them. They are not interested in small apps and all. So this is the one thread, and we are building this company for middle class. As we said earlier about this one, in India having more middle class families, so we can grow up this one. And after COVID-19 also, people can do more things. Coming to macro environmental factors, they are building apps using Flutter technology. This app may not support for development and maintenance code reduced to half. So we are building mobile app. So our weakness is we don't have website to sell products. If we have website means it will be very useful for us, but we have to looking further. Our only investment is in app building and marketing. No other investment needed. We are building mobile app. Mobile app is more flexible and attractable than websites, so it will increase our customers.
Hello, my name is Google Raman. In this project, I will be explain the 7 Ps for handcrafts in our project. In my product, this is the application which offer the handcrafts like painting, cards, and the wall paintings like that. The suppliers are Indian wholesalers, retailers, and individual manufacturers. Most retailers have experience visiting India or have personal networks India through the price. We have priced the product directly from manufacturer and they sell it. The process, the purchase and give the discount for their all products are 20 to 25% less than market price. Now from that we will sell and we will get the pro, we will get the money from earn money from the this project. Place we don't have the any places. We have application. We just the platform to the selling the products promotions. In this way, in app we will promote in the Play Store. Now we are not in promote in the Play Store, but we will do promotion and we have promote the app in Instagram page and Facebook page. We will attach it in this project. Yeah. And the physical evidence is the we in this application we will put in the Play Store and we have some reviews from the customers and we will paste in the our application. People in this application includes the persons who bring the product to the customer, the service provide the application to the deliver the product, the destinants, and the person involved in that process comes in the people. Process first we identify the client. They can select the address and the special options, and they can select payment method. See the overview of the entire order on time. Confirm the place order. Receive the confirmation by the mail. The users can check out the procedure box and they can buy from the EMI also. And in this app, user friendly approach in this visitor account we have and if when they enter the name automatically come with hi. If example the name is Google, the then on the app it will come hi Google like that. Yeah, this app is user friendly.
Hello, ma'am. This is Birame. I'm going to talk about the STP strategies of our project. In first segmentation, we have four types of segmentation: demographics and psychographics, and uh, geographic and behavioral. In our project, in the demographics, we are building this company in India first, so which contain large number of middle class families. So we have lot of suppliers from that. In the psychographics in India, Indian people use handicraft mostly, so they thought that this is very beautiful and that this will give some status to that. So this way, this is helpful to us. And the next one is geographics. India is geographically big, so our big challenge will be how we'll deliver our products to the edge of the country. This is a very challenging one. Behavioral in India's variety, lot of variety of cultures are there, so they creating lot of handcrafts in their culture, so it will be helpful to us. And the second one is market targeting. This is depend upon the criteria size difference, money and accessible, focus on different benefits. In the criteria size, Indian market is very big enough to sell our products, so it will be very useful. And the difference, measurable difference are existing between the segment. And money, the third one is money. Our anticipating profits will exceed to the cost of additional marketing plans and other changes. The third one is product positioning. In India, now there are lot of entrepreneurs who will uplift the lifestyle to the middle and below average people, so we can believe that our company will get success. This is our STP strategies. Thank you.
Hello, myself S. Dheeraj. I am from Group 5 of LSM class E1 slot. Now I going to speak about how to create a fund for our project by the method of source funding. There are three essential way to make a funding. One of them are debt capital, and second one is retained earning, and the third one is equity capital. The name debt capital is telling us the money can be borrowed from the bank loan or from the any loaner. But the drawback of this money is we want to pay a huge amount of repay for of the principal amount to the bank loaner. Retained earning is a method where we can sell a product for a more value than the product original cost value. This method is a good method, but the method has its own drawback, like it will only attract a rich person. And the last way is equity capital. The name equity capital is saying that we want to sell a part of our company part to a investor, or in the term of sharing. So it is a mutual sharing funding. These are the three ways we can make a funding for our project. Thank you.